Welcome to Wendy's. How can I take your order today? What y'all think about my Wendy's braids? Nah, I'm just kidding. We're not here to talk about my hair today. Rude. All right then, let's get started. Should rename it like Live Monthly or Live Yearly, because it started out daily and now I get to it whenever my baby lets me. Somebody help me, please. Anyway, today I am going to be talking about this new revolutionary Lashify. I don't really know much about it. I'm not sure how the whole thing even works, but I ordered a control kit. They had some sort of sale going on for like buy a control kit and get like 3 free Gossamers, or however you say it. Everything finally came in today. Let's start out with talking about packaging. It came in this black box.
Oh, obviously.
Not gonna lie, shipping wasn't terribly slow, but it also wasn't like, you know, super speedy fast. But I also only selected standard shipping, so I mean, I'm sure if you want to do like the whole overnight thing, then it wouldn't be an issue. It's about the size of a textbook, maybe not in thickness. Well, I don't know. I'm not reading many textbooks these days. And it's sealed. I actually tried to open it earlier, take a sneak peek, until I realized that, yeah, can't. I would say that it's pretty secure packaging. I don't hate it in the matte black. The first time you look at it will be the first time I'm looking at it. So let's open up this bad boy.
It's about time!
Okay, I can dig it. It's real cute, to be honest. Be your own lash tech. Shit, we'll see about that. So it looks like this paper right here is like sealed with some sort of wax stamp. Let's set this box down. Okay, so it's packaged very well. They put enough stuffing, confetti, or paper, whatever you want to call it, in for stuff not to shake around. So that's a good thing. I'm guessing this is my control kit. Here are my 3 free Gossamers. Okay, so the Gossamer sizes that I got might actually be like extra stupid long. If you're anything like me, then you like really big eyelashes. The sizes that I got were E17, E18, and E20. Oh, nice. Really cute. Let's see what this says here. Okay, so I guess this is a note from the owner, which I'm not going to read right now. I might go back and read it later, but for the purposes of this video and trying to keep it sweet and short, I'm just not going to read it at the moment. Oh, cool, and it comes with instructions. These are, I'm 100% sure that these are called what they say wandums. The fuck? They go on your lash tweezers or whatever you want to call them. Oh, and nice, guys. You know, I really love this. The box comes with a place to store your extra Gossamers, if I'm not mistaken. If so, that would be so totally neat. I can keep everything in one place. Oh, holy shit. These are way bigger than I thought they were going to be. Whoa. This is E20. These are really, really big eyelashes, but let's see if this... Yes! That's so cool. The eyelashes do have letters and numbers on the back, which represents the size, so that's great. I love the fact that they sent this box and it's got a place to put the extra eyelashes. That is completely awesome. So let's open up this control kit. This is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure you have the choice between black and white. So let's open this up here.
Yeah, boy.
Nice. S crystal. There we go. And this is a dual-sided wand, it looks like. Whisper Light Flexible Bond. Oh, freaking focus, you piece of crap. Come on. I'm just kidding, baby. I love you. There we go. Now you can kind of see that. So let's just open it up and see. Oh, hopefully the instructions can help us with this and figure out what that is. And it does come with these eyelashes, and you don't get to pick these. B12 and B14 is what I got. Okay, so now that we got packaging out of the way, I'm gonna try to get started with this. Actually, I'm gonna go grab my little tiny mirror. Well, fuck. Can you tell I'm a mom yet? I'm just gonna use the other side and wipe it off a little bit. Okay, fine. Fine. I'll be right back after Little Red Riding Hood.
5 minutes later.
Let's start with step 1. Start with clean lashes. In order for Lashify to work as intended, begin with a completely clean canvas. No mascara, concealer, skincare products, or makeup of any kind around the eye area. Oil and moisture will get in the way of lash adhesion. Prep your natural lashes with pre-cleanse. Well, they didn't fucking send me that, so I guess I'll just use my own. Okay, so I don't see any oil in these ingredients. So this is called NYX Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. I don't even know if they still sell this. I got this such a long time ago, but I'm sure it'll do the job. Yeah, this is it. Step 2. Apply Whisper Light Flexible Bond. Apply a light coat of black Whisper Light to the underside of your upper lashes. Do not apply a thick coat. If you feel you need more bond, always allow the first coat to fully dry before applying the second coat. After step 2, it says apply Gossamer lashes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just start with the ones that they sent me. In the pro tips, it says to apply this to the spine of your lashes. This better be good. I put on a bra for this crap. Oh shoot, I did it. Okay, well it says to fuse it. Okay, so I mean that seems pretty simple and easy. Getting the first one on wasn't terribly hard. So let's just keep going. I'm gonna do another B12. You know what, guys? This is turning out to be almost easier than doing strip lashes, to tell you the truth. So for the next one, I think I'm gonna size up to this next size and do a B14. Okay, so this is what I have so far. The processes seem to be fairly easy, but I'm gonna try to stack a few of these, and then when I have this eye done, I'll do a left eye versus right, one with Gossamers and Lashify on, one without, and then I'll get back, okay guys? This is what I have so far. If I'm being 100% honest, guys, it was almost easier to use my fingers when it came to putting lashes in the corner than it was these tweezers that were specially made for it. However, the application was super easy. Honestly, the difference is kind of dramatic. I really like it. So I'm gonna finish the other eye and let you know my final thoughts. Okay, so this is the finished process. It was really quick and it was really, really simple. The only thing that I have not done is step 5, which is to apply the glass. It's supposed to make your lashes waterproof and give it extra longevity, apparently. It says apply glass to the underside of the lashes, focusing on the root to seal and remove any stickiness. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm not sure that it's gonna make it look any differently, but yeah. Final thoughts. I really love this look. Honestly, it was really easy to do. It was super simple, it was super fast. If you've ever done lash trios and you're good at it, then you'll definitely be good at this. I don't think that they came out bad. It was kind of hard to use this in all positions, so maybe some regular tweezers for different angles would be better. But it's definitely great when it comes to sealing the lashes. But I want to say for the outer corner, for the most part, I just kind of used my fingers. I don't know if that will help or harm the process for you. It seems to have made it a little bit easier for me. Cost-wise, I think it's a good deal. I mean, I got a control kit for $145. and 3 free Gossamers. I'm not gonna be able to say that you'll be able to do that because I don't know how often that they have sales on these Gossamer lashes. I think it's a fair price. I think they look really good. 20 minutes of me having to do this max is better than for me to have to go and sit in a lash chair for 2.5 hours, because I really hate that. Like, I'm a very antsy person, so this is definitely way better. I will be back with an updated video on this, and God, I hope this works, because you know what? I put a bra on for this video. That's a big deal. So like I said, these came with the B12 and B14. I ended up using almost all of the B14s, and I have quite a few B12s left. What I did was, when it came to the inside, I did 2 lashes of B12. When it came to the middle of my eye, I did 3 of B14 and then 1 B12 on the outside. And I did layer the B12 outside and the 3 B14s inside, and only 1 of the B12s on the inside. Yeah, I'll definitely put that information in the description if you like this look. Your eyes may be bigger or smaller than mine, so you might use more or less lashes. Thanks for watching with me today, guys, and I will be posting an update on how long these lasted and if they're really, truly worth it. So far, I don't have any complaints other than these being a tad bit difficult for application. But other than that, yeah, I mean, I really like it. I think that I could definitely do this and sub it for getting my lashes done every single month and filled it and stuff like that. So thanks for watching with me, guys, and I am going to tend to my baby.
Thank you for your order. Please pull around to the first window.